Good morning, Ma'am Angelina Nicasio. This is my performance task video lesson about geometric sequence. First, let's talk about sequences. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers or other elements like geometric objects that often follow a specific pattern or function. Sequences can be both finite and infinite. Finite sequences is a sequence that stops at some point, and infinite sequences is a sequence that continues forever. Also, each number in a sequence is called a term, element, or member. Since we already know what the sequence means, now we will discuss about the main topic. What exactly does geometric sequence mean? A geometric sequence, also known as geometric progression, is a sequence in which each term is found by multiplying the preceding term by the same value. Unlike an arithmetic sequence is an ordered set of numbers that have a common difference between each consecutive term. Its general term of sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r with the value of n minus 1. A sub n is the last term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms in the sequence, and r is the common ratio. For example, what is the seventh term in the sequence of 4, 12, 36? Of course, we will use our formula, the general rule. The given are a sub 1 is 4, the n value is 7, the seventh term, and the common ratio is 3. Now we will substitute to the general rule since we are looking for the seventh term. Let me use my calculator. There you go. Therefore, the answer is 2916. So, in the general rule, the unknown number is the last term, which is the seventh term. So, um, the first term is 4 times the common ratio is 3 with the value of the seventh term minus 1. So, just multiply them and convert this to the real number on itself, and you will find the real answer. That's how simply it is. So the seventh term is equal to 2916. Next, second example. Which term is 208 in the geometric sequence of 13, 26, 52? General rule, is we're going to use it as always. The given is a sub 1 is 13. The n value is unknown. The common ratio is 2 because 13 times 2 is 26 times 2 is 52. And the term that we already got is 208. This time, we're going to look for the n value. Cut, tanggal, cut. As you can see, I already solved it so that we do not last long in the video. The use of the general term or general rule is for us to determine the missing terms in the sequence. Back to the problem solving. To get the term of 208, first we need to remove the first term by dividing both sides, as we got the value of 16 equals 2 with the value of n minus 1. Then we need to express 16 as a power with base 2. So we got 2 with the exponent of 4 equals 2 with the value of n minus 1. Again, divide by both sides. We got 4 equals n minus 1. Isolate negative 1 to 4, as we already got 4 plus 1 equals n. And the final answer is n equals 5. That's how easy it is to solve unknown or missing terms in general sequence. Now let's move on to geometric means. What does this mean? Geometric means are terms between any two non-consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. Its formula is the square root of two terms. For example, again, the square root of two terms. That's the formula. So we got three examples as it was solved already. Number one, square root of 15 times 60 equals 900, and the final answer of its square root is equals to positive and negative 30. Same formula to number 2, square root of 50 times 5,000 is equals to square root of 250,000 equals positive and negative 500. And last, in fraction, which is a little bit tricky, is equals to the square root of 1 over 7 times 1 over 63 equals square root of 1 over 441, and the answer will be positive and negative 1 over 21. It is even easier than the main topic of geometric sequence. This is all my teaching, and thank you very much for listening.